Hello friends. This video is for startups inclined to probe into e-commerce seeking information regarding GST in India. As we know that the Goods and Services Tax, GST, registration is mandatory for businesses in India with an annual turnover exceeding a certain threshold. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, businesses with a turnover of over Rs. 20 lakhs, Rs. 10 lakhs for special category states, are required to register for GST. However, startups may want to consider GST registration even if their turnover is below this threshold because it can provide certain benefits and facilitate business operations. Here's how you can register for GST as a startup in India. 1. Determine eligibility. As mentioned above, check if your startup exceeds the GST turnover threshold. If it does, you are required to register for GST. If it doesn't, you may still opt for voluntary GST registration. 2. Gather required documents. PAN card of the business. Proof of business registration. Certificate of incorporation for companies, partnership deed for partnerships, etc. Proof of place of business, e.g., rental agreement, electricity bill, etc. Bank account details. Authorized signatory's photo and address proof. Digital signature. Letter of authorization or board resolution for authorized signatory, in case of companies. 3. Create a GST Common Portal account. Visit the GST Common Portal, https://www.gst.gov.in, and create an account. 4. Fill out the GST registration application. Navigate to the Services section and select Registration. Choose New Registration. Fill out the Part A of the application with your PAN and mobile number. You will receive an OTP for verification. After verification, you'll receive a temporary reference number, TRN. 5. Fill out Part B of the application. Access the application using the TRN. Fill out all the required details, upload documents, and provide information about the nature of your business. 6. Verification and signatures. You may need to get your application reviewed and signed by a chartered accountant, CA, or tax consultant. This depends on the type and location of your business. 7. Application submission. After completing all sections, submit the application. 8. Application processing. The GST authorities will verify your application and may ask for additional information or documents. If everything is in order, you will receive your GST registration certificate and GSTIN, GST identification number. 9. Compliance. Once registered, you will need to file regular GST returns and comply with GST regulations. It's essential to keep in mind that the GST process in India is subject to change, and the threshold limits, procedures, and documents required may have evolved since my last update. Therefore, I recommend checking the official GST portal, https://www.gst.gov.in, or consulting with a tax professional for the most current and specific information related to GST registration for startups in India.